Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2012 Nissan Rogue and I will show you how to remove and replace the battery. Battery is located under the front hood just next to the engine. This video will apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2007 all the way up to 2013. Now, to remove the battery, all you will need is a ratchet with a 10mm socket or a 10mm wrench key. The battery is being held in place by a battery holder which is just on top of the battery. So you will have two 10mm nuts to remove, one here and one on the opposite side. Now it's up to you. You can completely remove both of them and then completely remove the holder, or you can just remove one, loosen up the other one and turn the holder to the other side to be able to lift up the battery. Once you have the holder off the way, the battery will be completely loose. Right, and now the only thing left to do is to disconnect the battery terminals. Now when you're doing that, always make sure first you want to disconnect the negative battery terminal, then the positive. And when you're installing the new battery, always first connect the positive and then the negative. That way you will avoid any kind of possible shorts. To remove the terminals, you just want to loosen up these nuts right here. So you don't want to remove them completely, just loosen them up enough so the terminal becomes loose. And then you should be able just to wiggle it off the battery, right? Okay, just like that. Now what happens sometimes if the battery wasn't replaced for a long time, these terminals like to get stuck, and then what you have to do, you just have to kind of pry it underneath while trying to wiggle it off, and that should loosen it up. And if you still cannot do it, then what you will do, you will get a flat screwdriver, just place it here in between, and then you will get a hammer and gently tap on top of it just to separate it here, and then again try to wiggle it, and you should be good to go. This doesn't happen too often, but on some vehicles, like I said, if it wasn't removed in a long time, you'll have to put a bit of effort into it. Positive one, the same thing. Loosen up and then just wiggle it off. And definitely make sure before installing the new battery to really clean these terminals, both sides. And yeah, that's it. You can clean these terminals using sandpaper or brush wire. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.